See, you know what I'm saying? I got them games. Hey, man, I swear to God, y'all, we gonna be up in this bitch fighting with a whole bird if she don't stop.
Got that dope, did that show loss. Here's the work and I am a boss.
All right. So now we have to season this fish. Gotta season the fish, y'all, for all right. Oh shit, hold on, I forgot to step, y'all. All right, you have to skin this mug. You gotta skin your fish, real talk. Can't be having no scaly ass fish and shit.
House. Got that dope, did that show loss. Here's the work and I'm a boss. Yeah, that's your tone.
Hey,
Man of the coast.
got that dope, did that show loss. Here's the work and I'm a boss. You did it before, you'll do it again. You did it before, you'll do it again. For real. All right. Now, since I got this mug skin, throw this bitch in the trash. Oh, this shit nasty as hell. I don't know why is she doing all that. But ignore her, okay? Ignore her. Let it get past your subconscious mind so not thinking about it too much, alright? But yeah, okay. So now I'm gonna cut a little bit off the top of this because I just me personally I don't like to have like this shit at the top of my salmon or whatever the fuck this should be. Okay, so yeah. So this kind of just cleans it almost like it's like a cleaning. Cause the scales like the scales and shit was here. Nike! Hey! I swear hey, he be sounding like a whole zoo in this bitch. Got canine games and you got Nike in the bitch like that. You got a lot of animals, a lot of dogs. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut this I'm gonna cut this shit, okay? Watch. Alright. So you just go on and cut this shit down the middle like this, y'all. And then now, because we're gonna be frying it, we want to cut it into kind of like smaller pieces, okay? But not like things like this, okay? Boom, that easy. Throw that bitch in there. Got this side of it like that. Throw that in there. And then this one here, see how it's like that? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cut that bitch in the middle here. Make it into two separate ones. Cut this down the middle. Throw that bitch in there. Throw that bitch in there like that. Got this one here. Cut it down the middle. Boom, just like that. Boom, just like that. All right. Hey y'all, I do this shit, bro. Like I really be cooking this shit. Okay, like hey, I ain't even gonna lie. I really be cooking. I'm really a chef. All right. Okay. Y'all, I really do this. I'm cooking shit. Okay, here. Let me wash my hand real quick. I don't want my hands smelling like dirty pussy. So me like no way, no way. Okay. Y'all hear young boy? Hey, Nike.